high I'm going to go today. Somewhere between 10,500 and 12,000 feet. And I have to see what happens. One of these days I think I'll take the train instead. But for right now, I'm trying to get to somewhere between 10,500 and 12,000 feet. And there's the peak right there. Train that goes to the peak as well. First half hour in. Looking to see if I can get to somewhere between 10,500 and 12,000 feet. Until 12,000 feet is the height where trees won't grow anymore. This is a steep way known as the Manitou incline. Done this several times. 6 years or so. Today, I'm just sticking on the bar trail, trying to get to 10,500 to 12,000 feet. So I'm there. I've been at it about an hour so far. A little bit past 9,000 feet in elevation, which is the personal milestone that I set back in March of this year. I'm going to film at the next two personal milestones as well. Minimum 100 feet higher than I was before, and maximum would be about 2,000 feet higher to get to the tree line, which is at 12,000 feet. The trail is not so bad over here, and the peak is visible. Not sure if you can see what I'm showing here. I think it's there behind my head right now. Right now, at a little bit above 9,500 feet in elevation. This is where I turned around approximately 2 months ago, late May, early June of 2022, whenever that was, I did that. And my next filming will be at our camp, which is the personal milestone that I set for myself about a month ago. After that, we'll see how much further I can go for minimum of 500 feet in elevation above that to a maximum of 2,000 feet in elevation above that. We'll see how it goes. So here I am at bar camp again. Elevation somewhere between 10,100 and 10,200 feet. Really not sure how much longer I can keep this going. There's the main building for the camp itself. And here's what my ugly mug looks like at about 10,000 feet. So tired, not sure how much longer I'm going to go. This portion is getting a lot steeper again. I am past bar camp, maybe 15-20 minutes since I left. 10,400 feet in elevation. I'll check later. I think I'm going too much longer, maybe get to about 10,700 feet and get back down after that. We'll see. 10,500 feet in elevation now. Back here, it's really hard to see. It's in between some lower peaks. That's Colorado Springs. About level. Some of the other nearby peaks. I missed a chance because there were too many trees just a little while back to get Pike's Peak showing again. I might have been able to catch a little. Let's see if the next 200 feet in elevation, if I can catch it again with more visible. Otherwise I'll try to catch it on the way back down. 10,568 feet in elevation now. Can get a clearer view of the city again for a while. Still trying to catch the peak. Probably going to go another 125, 150 feet in elevation further up before heading back down. elevation is 10,800 some odd feet. And that's it for me today. Still haven't caught a good view of Pikes Peak. A good half hour to 45 minutes because of all these trees in the way. Nice to look at, but can't give you a reference. Right there, Colorado Springs, barely in view. Alright, gonna rest for a bit and then head back down. Alright, so it's not immediately clear from the lower right hand corner. I got to push a little bit above 10,800 feet apparently. Although when you sat down and move around a little bit. Just now started back down. Very hard to catch, given the steepness. Looks to be a portion of the peak as well. And at this elevation, not the best way to get the close to it. On the way back down, just under 9,000 feet. This was the milestone I set for in March of this year, 2022. City getting a lot closer, but it was slower than usual, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to get to the base. It took me 11 and a half hours. Finally, checking out one more thing. 45,000 steps in one day. Boom.